Welcome back, Hotelier. Food and beverage standard operating procedures and understanding the departmental policies. Chapter 7, Part 10. How to carry a tray of beverages. Carrying a tray of beverages requires precision and attention to detail to ensure a seamless and professional service. Beverage collection. Gather drinks from the dispense bar, ensuring accuracy and proper handling of the beverages. Pristine tray presentation. Prioritize cleanliness and aesthetics. The tray must be spotless with no visible scratches or marks. Strategic beverage arrangement. Organize the drinks on the tray in a manner that facilitates easy access to the ladies' drinks, as they are to be served first in accordance with Saudi Arabian cultural norms. Stability of tall glasses. Place tall glasses as close to the body as possible to enhance stability and prevent any slips or spills during transport. Steady and controlled movement. Walk carefully and deliberately, avoiding rushing or sudden changes in direction that could compromise the stability of the tray and the beverages. Proper tray handling. Carry the tray with the left hand, positioning the palm in the center under the tray to distribute the weight evenly. Keep the tray at the level of the server's chest for optimal balance and control. Thanks for watching my video. If you had a good time, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Your support means a lot to me. Take care and stay curious.